If you want to unfollow a list on X, formerly Twitter, this quick tutorial will show you the exact steps. This is useful if you want to clean up your feed, remove lists you no longer need, or simply stop seeing posts from a specific curated list. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech tutorials. Now let's get right into it. First, on the left side navigation bar, click on More. This opens up additional menu options inside X. Once that menu appears, click on Lists. This will take you to the section where all of your saved and followed lists are stored. Now you'll see your list page. From there, click on the specific list you want to unfollow. Make sure you select the correct one if you follow multiple lists so you don't remove the wrong one by mistake. After the list opens, look for the Unfollow option and click it. That's the final step. Once you do that, you will no longer be following that list and it should stop appearing in your feed and list collections. And that's how to unfollow lists in X, also known as Twitter, in just a few simple clicks. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.